In this video, we're going to go from this to this. Holy cow, that was easy. Okay, so in one of my previous videos, I replaced the instrument cluster lights, and when I took out the headlight switch, I did it the hard way. And one of my YouTube viewers pointed that out, that there's a better way. So today I actually need to replace the headlight switch because the panel dim is acting a little wonky. The lights kind of flash and stuff. So I'm going to replace the headlight switch doing it the correct way. The way the process works is you turn it like that, pull this out, and then right here you see a hole right there. Push that in, and then pull this off and rotate it 180 degrees and put it back on. And as you turn it, you can see there it releases it. Then you just pull the headlight switch assembly out. Okay, and of course just unplug it. Okay. So. Like so. And I'm going to put this back because there's really no need to have it that way. So when you're done, just flip it back around. So there we go. Putting in the new one, you won't have to do any of that. Just when you pull it out. Okay. So plug it all back in. Like so. Now all you gotta do is just push it in. There we go. It's all good. And that is how you replace the headlight switch the correct way. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. Then you pop this off, turn it around 180 degrees, and as you turn it, that releases it. And as you turn it, you can see there it releases it. Then you just pull the headlight switch assembly out without damaging all this.